Good morning, dear students. Now it's your first period of computer science. Today, in continuation of chapter 7, that is openoffice.org Impress, we are going to discuss about the new topics of this chapter. First of all, inserting a new slide. We can insert a new slide by clicking on the insert and then slide. Next, slide design. To select a design, click over the slide design icon on the toolbar. A dialog box will appear showing various slide designs. Select the design of your choice. If you want to see more design options, click on load button as you see in this picture. A dialog box shown will appear when you click on load button. Select the option presentation background from categories box. Select the template of your choice from the template box on the right. Click on more to see the preview of the slide design. Now font style. Font is a style of writing and we can make the presentation more impressive by using various font properties available in OpenOffice Impress. As you see in this picture, we can apply the font type or font size. When we click on the font type, a drop down list will open and from the font size we can change the size of the font as you wish to apply. Next, we can apply some more formatting styles like bold, italic, underline, strike through or shadow. Bold option, it makes the selected text thicker. Italic, it makes the selected text appear slightly tilted. Underline, it underlines the selected text. Strike through, it puts a line strike over the selected line text. Shadow, it adds a shadow to the selected text. In this way, we can apply the bold, italic, underline, strike through or shadow options by clicking on this button after selecting the text on which you want to apply these options. Now next, alignment. Alignment is a orientation of text with respect to edges of the placeholder, and its option appears under the paragraph option. Here are four types of alignment: left, right, center, and justified. First, left, the text lines up along the left margin of the placeholder. No spaces appear on the left side of the text box. Right, the text line up along the right margin of the placeholder. No spaces appear on the right side of the text box. Center alignment. The text is aligned around the midpoint, having equal distance from the left and right margin both. Ragged edges appears on both left and right sides of the paragraph. Justified. No spaces are left either on left or right margin. The text lines up along left and right margin of the paragraph. By applying the alignment, we can make our text attractive, next, saving the presentation. When we create a presentation, after creating the presentation, we have to save the presentation for future use. Saving the presentation, click on File menu and then select Save or for saving the presentation, click on File menu and then select Save or Save As option. Save option is used to save the presentation you create first time, and Save As option is used to save the saved presentation by another name. As you see in this picture, first you click on File and then Save or Save As option. Then select the folder in which you wish to save your presentation. Type the name of the presentation with which you wish to save. Click on Save button. In this way, you can save your presentation. In this way, all the topics of this chapter has been completed. Thank you and have a nice day.